It's been a fantastic and profound week at Arcana. I can't even remember at times how I felt specifically the first day that I was here, the second day. Every day that passed, I ended up being a lot more connected to myself and a lot less disconnected when I first came here. This is my second time in Arcana after 3.5 years, and I came here wanting a lot of connection and alignment with myself, which I felt that I was lacking where I'm from in New York City. So a lot has changed, and what I think was the big, catalyst of everything was not only Arcana, but my letting go. A lot of fear that I had before I was here was put at ease. A lot of tension, a lot of discourse, like my vibrations were off, and the environment here has catered a lot to that. The facilitators are excellent here that put you at ease. The space here puts any type of environmental fears at bay, and even the food, the staff here, everything is catered to this excellence of making sure that you are in the best place possible, because there's a lot less stimulus, there's a lot less for you to worry about, and with that you're able to focus more on your growth and your healing and what your specific intentions are here, which is absolutely important. Because without those intentions, without your willing to do as much as you want to and your capabilities of, there's going to be a lot less healing. You can still heal, but the more that you are fully present with who you are and what you want, it's going to make a light and dark difference of your existence and what you're going to ultimately take with you after Arcana, which is also important, the integration process. So that general standpoint with Arcana and yourself in Arcana, they go hand in hand. It's not just Arcana, it's not you, it's integrating both here. One thing that I would really focus on when it comes to speaking with people that are hesitant about Arcana, or just the experience with the medicine in general, is knowing what they want, what they're looking for, if they are ready for it, if they need more research. I feel like with my experience with people and friends that I know and people that I've met throughout the years, that people like to make excuses because the comfort zone that they feel with themselves is an identity of itself. So the more that you can ease out of that and to kind of find a way that you want to let go of that comfort and put in the hard work of ultimately being a better person and using your intentions for the right way and to figure out what you ultimately want for yourself, whether it's physical, emotional, psychological. You here in Arcana, you're a blank canvas. You bring all the stuff, all the, I guess, the chitta, all the misalignment with yourself, all of the gunk, everything that you want to unload here. It's the perfect resistance-free environment to do so. Everyone here, everyone is with open arms, open hearts, open minds. Everything that you do, everything that you say is in the most sacred space possible for you to be able to improve on what you want. So I would talk to someone who's hesitant about that with whatever fears that they have, it will be addressed. And they are in the best place to let go. There will be a lot of emotions, and if you are able to put in the work, all of those will be addressed. I guarantee it. My entire experience is outerworldly. My connection to the medicine has, I'm getting just kind of chills, talking about it, because the connection with ayahuasca, the connection to the earth, the connection to facilitators, to the people, the community, the plants, the trees, the essence of what Peru stands for, and more importantly, the history of the Shipibo, the long, just hundreds, if not thousands of years of this medicine that has been created, has been improved upon so much so that if you came to Arcana yesterday, if you came to Arcana tomorrow, or even a month from now, you are experiencing such an expanse of knowledge that you are in the best place to receive an infinite amount of intelligence and experience that's going to give you the tools that you need to heal. And that is the most important part. And I would probably say all of that to someone who's hesitant about that. So I would help them, give the tools for them to come into their own, which is important. So connection with yourself, your wants, your needs, alignment, and let it all go. Fear everything, which I have experienced so much in my life. It's important. Do the work. The harder you feel the work is, the more you will benefit. It will, and that's my personal experience from the ceremonies, from the medicine here. Even walking around at 3 o'clock in the morning just by yourself looking at the stars with a cup of delicious cocoa tea, which I've had 30 cups and I still can't get enough. Arcana is here for you in the condition that you show up here. Ayahuasca, Arcana, they will not come to your comfort zone regardless of how much you kick and scream and fight all you want. You have to make an effort to come here. Grandmother is here for you. Grandmother is too old to come jump on a plane and come to you and sit across from you on the couch and tell you everything is okay. You come to grandma where she's going to be like, this is where we can do the work. Come with me. She'll take your hand, she'll pull you to a dark room, and she'll be like, I'm here. So present yourself fully and you'll be solid. I promise you.